Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we're opening up some more sports. This time we're doing top signature class, basketball 25-26. We only got one box. We've been opening a lot of stuff lately. We decided, hey, we're gonna continue to open up sports and stuff off camera. We might as well start opening up on camera, see if we can't pull anything crazy. Look for the SP Odyssey insert. I believe it's short print. Yeah, the short print. 10 packs, 8 cards per pack, 80 total. I've never opened up Topps Signature, I'll be honest. I've only opened up Topps Chrome, NBA Hoops, and that's about it for basketball. But yeah, let's see what happens. Will Riley, round 1, pick 21. Oh, I see what it is now. Ooh, Mr. Coop. We got Flag. Damn, they damaged that card. That's right. Got Coop Flag. We got Clifford, round 1, pick 24. We got Cam Jones, round 2. We got Alex Chewy, round 2, pick 52. We got Martin, round 2, 39. Another Martin. It's been happening a lot lately, or I'll literally pull the same person multiple times in a row. And then we got Clint Capella, round 1, pick 25th. I probably should have just gone with NBA Hoops again. Unless if we pull a number or an auto, that'd be pretty sick. We got Javon Small, round 2, pick 48. Kobe Bryant, round 2, 41. What is it? Zion James, round 2, 33. LeBron James, just kidding. Derek Quinn, Queen, round 1, pick 13. Oh, there he is. Concanupple, round 1, pick 4. What? You can get Curry in here? We got Steph Curry, round 1, pick 7. Oh, damn, we did get an auto. It is bent and destroyed. Oh, and we got a con. Dang. They destroyed that auto. Atlanta Hawks. Terrence Mann. It'd be sweet if it wasn't destroyed. Be really sweet. To try to flatten that one out. Same with this one. This one got pretty much destroyed too. Another con. Fine, I will put Curry, the other con, and then Flag in. So far, quality on these aren't the great. Well, it seems like they're great when they're not the main players that you're looking for. This con doesn't look too bad. No, the edging looks absolutely garbage. I lied. I know this one got absolutely butchered on this side. Cooper, Flag, Con, and Curry so far. Terrence Mann, pretty decent auto. Just sucks that the whole card was damaged. Oh, we got Behringer from Minnesota. Dylan Harper from San Antonio, which he's doing pretty decent right now. We got, was that Shaq? Yeah. John Broome It's so hard to read some of these, man. Ben Sir. Oh, I think he's actually doing pretty decent right now too. Well, he was. Ben Seraph. All I've seen, I think I went through one person or a submission for PSA, and there's so many of them. There's one guy that was just basically submitting every single one of his cards. What is that? Ray Sacher? Man, it's so hard to see these names. Alex Sarr. That's the last one on that one. Put that over there, over there. Go this way. All right. We got Gonzalez, round 1, pick 28. Cedric Coward, round 1, pick 11. What is that? Nolan? Can't even read it, man. Is that Tyro? Yeah, good luck on this one. Yannick from round 1, pick 30. You got Johnson the third, round 1, pick 6. Ooh, Liam McNeely, round 1, pick 29th. Yeah, dude, this is almost worse than Pokemon as far as quality control. What is this one? Kawhi Leonard. Or however. Wait, why am I? Whatever. I don't know why I put that one in there. Yeah, all of them are pretty much damaged. All of them are pretty much damaged. We got Drake Powell from Brooklyn. Walton Clayton from the Jazz. Was it Malak from the Suns? Proctor from Cleveland. I think Proctor was doing pretty decent this year. We got Martin. We got Josh Giddey from the Bulls. Ooh, Jason Tatum from the Celtics. I don't know. I don't know if I'm a big fan of these. Don't know if I'm a big fan from here. Brenner from the Hornets. We got Fleming. We got Noah from Chicago. Ace Bailey from the Jazz. Liam McNeely from the Hornets. What is that? Chaz Lanier. We got Penda from the Magic. Damn, we really didn't get anything on that one. Edgar Demen. I wonder if we already pulled everything. I bet you there's not going to be anything left in any of these packs. We got Richard from Golden State. We got Brooks from OKC. Danny Wolf from Brooklyn. Hanser from the Blazers. What is it? Demeen Egger from Brooklyn. Javon Small from the Grizzlies. Alex Tui from Golden State. Ooh, that's kind of a sick card. Panchero from the Magics. I feel like he, could be wrong, but I feel like he had a decent year too. Could be making that up. Sometimes I do that when I think I know. So I don't really pay attention to sports much anymore. I just kind of pay attention when I like collecticons and stuff. Or out to eat. Then I'll start looking. So we got Boyles, Raymond. What is that? Sober from the Thunder. Bill Riley, Wallace, De Silva, Kobe Burra, Stephon Castle. Stefan Castle. Yeah, I have a feeling there's nothing left. I feel like we already hit our auto, and unless if there's a numbered. Unless if we can get a numbered in here, but I'm guessing number's going to be on the front. It ain't going to be on the back. I could be wrong. I might have to look at all these at the end. The Topps typically puts it on the front. We got Newell, Richardson, Watkins, Tanji, Agercombe. I think he did decent too. BJ. Peavy. Oh, there's the numbered. Jeez. That's just criminal. I don't even know if you can see that. 114 of 399. Al Horford. Round 1, pick 3 from the Celtics. And we got Zach Eddy. Good Lord. Talk about a horrid number. 399. Might as well just give me a base card. Might as well just give me a base. Ooh, Shy from OKC. Can't even read that one. Halliburton. Lively. I almost said Lively. White. Turner from Pacers. Kessler from the Jazz. Cole Anthony from Magic. And Bane from Grizzlies. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why I sleep that one, to be honest. Not gonna lie, I don't think I'm a big fan of these ones. I mean, a lot of them came out damaged. I mean, I'm used to it with Pokémon and stuff like that, but like when your actual hits are destroyed, like how do you destroy an auto, man? Like that's just, I don't know. Would I buy another one? Yeah, probably. Honestly, I'd probably only do one more, and then go based off of that. And depending what we end up pulling from that, then decide if I would do another one. But I don't know. I'm on the fence right now with the signatures. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today. Until next time, y'all.